Ever lost hours of progress because Unity crashed before you could hit save? Or maybe you're tired of guessing exactly where the center of your scene view is while positioning objects. Today, we're looking at a custom editor script that solves both problems at once: an integrated autosave system and a scene view crosshair. This script uses the initialize on load attribute. This means it starts running the second your project opens. You don't need to attach it to a game object in your scene. It hooks directly into the scene view during scene GUI and the editor application.update events to stay active in the background. If you look at the bottom left of the scene view, you'll see a clean, minimal UI. Here, we can toggle the crosshair on and off, enable the autosave feature, and even define our save interval in seconds. Because it's built using handles.begin GUI, it stays fixed to your viewport, regardless of how you move your camera. When Show Crosshair is enabled, the script calculates the exact center of your current scene view and draws two anti-aliased lines. This is incredibly useful for technical artists and level designers who need a reference point for centering assets without entering play mode. The autosave logic is the real safety net. It doesn't just spam the save button. It checks if the scene is dirty, meaning it only saves if you've actually changed something. 5 seconds before the timer hits 0, it triggers a notification right in the center of the screen so you aren't caught off guard. To keep your workflow smooth, the script is hard-coded to only save when the editor is not in play mode. Once saved, it logs the exact time in the console, so you always know your work is backed up. It's a simple, lightweight utility that makes the Unity editor feel a bit more professional and a lot more secure. Check the description for the code. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unity workflow tips.